How to go live on Kick. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily go live on your Kick app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up the Kick app. Then once you're in your Kick app, you have to tap on live in the bottom right side here. So tap on live and here you will see all of the people who are live right now. Now to go to live, you have to tap on go live. Then here it says permission needed to stream. So you have to tap on go to settings and give permission to Kick to stream. So here tap on permissions and then here you have to give permission of camera and microphone. So tap on first camera, then tap on allow, go back, tap on microphone, again tap on allow, and after giving permissions go back to the Kick app and then tap on here go live. Then you have to agree to all these terms that you will not stream nudity or pornography, hate speech or bullying, illegal activities and minors. So if you agree to the terms of service, you have to check this box here in the left, tap on check, and once it's checked you have to tap on got it. And here you can add a description or tag your stream, and then here you can tap on start to go live. And remember that your face needs to be clearly visible before you can start streaming. So if your face isn't clearly visible, the stream will not start. So let me show my face on the camera and then tap on start, and the stream is started. Here you will get a few options how to customize your stream, and so this is how you can go live on Kick. Thanks for watching.